shows the ecosystem rainforest. The weather in the rainforest is humid. In the rainforest, the floor is very big. There are a lot of species of trees and plants: mahogany, ceiba, barry, cedar, orchids, etc. The rainforest has a great and varied fauna. For example, spider monkeys, howler monkeys, squirrels, macaws, butterflies, tapirs, jaguars, tepezcuintles, turtles, lizards, etc. The localization of the rainforest in American continent is south of Mexico, Central America, Ecuador, Colombia, Brazil, Peru, Venezuela, and Bolivia. Take care our ecosystems.